Guys, for today's video guys, so tara samahan niyo ako manood guys ng construction at saka farmers sa ibang bansa guys. So let's go guys, supportan niyo yung video ko guys. So ito ang galing guys. So basic lang sa nila guys sa mga gawain, no? Kinaganda guys sa kanila guys yung mga gamit nila is mga high-tech talaga guys. Kaya ang bilis lang ng gawa nila. Nakaka-amaze talaga guys. Hey guys, so don't forget to follow my Facebook and then my YouTube channel guys. Then pa-like na rin pala yung mga video ko guys. Thank you so much guys. Wow, nakakabilib talaga guys. Galing guys. Ang ganda panoorin sila pag once na yung mga ginagawa nila. Sige, naganda din guys kasi nakakabigay din sila ng knowledge or experience or idea. Wow. Very nice.
I can still read you like a paperback book when I'm busy. You didn't wait for what is back over your skin. It's so funny that you think you know. Oh,
Katawa na mga utak nila. Guys, thank you.